Hey guys, I'm Francisca Delita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I ate in a day and also grocery haul and taste test.
I call you one time, two time, three time, I can't wait no more. Your fingers through my hair, that's on my mind. I know it's been a minute since you walked right through that door, but I still think about you all the time. I don't know how I'm gonna make it.
This is day 5 or day 4. No, at the cruise is the last day. I'm so sad. Goodbye this room. I'm going to miss this room so much. Bye. See you next time. So sad. OOTD for today. Look how cute is this. Go vegan. I bought this online, so I will link it down below in case you want some. So sad that I have to say goodbye to this mirror. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everything. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Oh my god, this is my last goodbye to this beautiful view. Goodbye. It's Friday, and this is my last goodbye to this beautiful mirror. No, beautiful leaf. He gave me a mantelog. I don't want him to be thirsty. Goodbye. Bye. What's your name?
Ansel.
Ansel. Goodbye.
Add me in the Facebook, huh?
Facebook name.
Ansel.
Ansel.
Dinglasan. D-I-N-G-L-A-S-A-N.
D-I-L-A-S-A-N.
Mommy, take you, huh? Where is Papa? Daddy?
Bagus.
I'm arriving at Singapore.
Very good.
That's
Habis holiday balik pergi airport dah.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
Airport yang angkat-angkat dah abang.
Oh,
Yeah.
Abang pergi airport lah.
it's amazing.
Okay.
Look at that.
Pergi mahal. 3 kali jalan lagi jauh.
This our apartment. Well, technically it's not our apartment, but you know. I'm gonna do a voiceover because you can't actually hear what I say, but this is a non-vegan bistro. It's a vegan bistro. So I got the vegan apple crumble and also a ladder bar. They ate that. I eat this vegan apple crumble from the mall. They have non-vegan bistro, so I got that. AIRBNB. Okay, it's not our apartment, but I don't know why I keep saying that. So this is the tiny little kitchen. So they have stove and also this is microwave or oven, I don't know. And this is this half. Okay.
Lama di pesawat kan rusak. Ya oke.
This one is the big one and the cute one. Look at these. It's soy milk. Oh, that's great.
Ini apa ini? Pantai ini.
Hah? Itu bir. Mak masak minum itu. This is so cute. Look how cute is this chair. Look, how cute is this? This is the bathroom, and this is my grandmother. This is the bathroom.
Grandmother.
So this is fries nugget. It's 100% vegan. Never tried that before. I also found this corn. It is also vegan. So I'm gonna taste sesame later. And look what I found. I found these fancy organic blueberry vegan waffles. It's accidentally vegan, and also I found this Beyond Burger that I couldn't find in any Indonesian store. So a little grocery haul. Beyond Meat Burger. Oh my god. Okay. And these also fans. Oh my god. I also got these. And these. And these. Oh my god. Okay, let's make these fries nuggets.
Berarti ini gua mau panen kan Thomas buat suara lagi.
Aku kayaknya terakhir udah bilang aku tapi kok kayak gini ya Roy, bau gosong gini ya. Kayaknya kamu kegedean deh. Caranya gimana?
Dibalik.
Cara ngurangi
Balik dulu itu ke dulu.
Aduh. Roy. Play nggak apa-apa tapi mami ada di sana. Mami aja udah
Santai.
udah play. Ini berarti mami bicara juga nggak apa-apa kali. Udah berarti ini. Ini masih matang belum ya tapi.
Tapi cewek.
Wah kayaknya gosong. Look at this. I burned it. Let's try again. Roy,
Cewek. Nganggo beli bisa jalan.
coba beli bis. Enak. Ini sumpah udah asin. 10 out of 10.
Kurangnya tahu.
Banyak doang.
Pah,
Banyak doang.
pah.
Mana sob?
Ya ora bokesa mah. Ya ini kon.
Enak. Okay, let's try this corn. Yo. How?
Potato kok.
No.
Engko dadi kaya wong amatir nek salah. Nek rambut upload wae jajal-jajal iso.
Yo, yun jajal. Ini po.
Start. Sama ini.
Apa bisa?
Start sih.
Buat di video.
Anu nih piro?
I don't know. Kok belum kriuk-kriuk ya?
1 menit.
Apa dikurangin aja, Roy?
1 menit.
Kena itu po.
1 menit mungkin.
1 minute again. Okay, my hand is clean. Yes. 1 minute.
2 menit.
Aku malah pizza ya. Pizza. Literally don't know how to use it. Don't know how to do this. So gonna try. Is it good? Skala dari 1 sampai 10.
7.
7 out of 10. Wow, that's great. Roy, rate skala 1 sampai 10 ini berapa? 2. 5, okay. I guess this is done. Ya, belum ya, Roy? I guess this is done. Or not? Maybe not. We're done belum ya, Roy? We're done or not done? I don't know. Is it done? Coba Roy pegang. 18 menit deh. Ini 18 menit deh.
18 menit.
Tapi kalau kosong dia. I guess we wait for 10 minutes. Oh, itu kita bisa. Oh, jangan 10 menit aja. 8 menit. As you can see that we literally have no clue at all. Even though we have open microwave at home, but we never use that because we don't know how. So can someone teach me how to use it, please? I hope aku nggak start. This is funny. The time is ticking, but it's not start. Terus ini po, ini. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Maybe not. Maybe langsung aja lah. No. Okay. I guess I have to take this out. Okay. Try this.
Ingatnya, yang masak belum makan kok yang mau.
Udah.
Udah Bang. Sayangnya. Terus ini, thank you.
Skala 1 sampai 10. Skala 1 sampai 10 berapa yang? 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gitu.
Enggak. Maksudnya nilai. Nah.
Nilainya berapa? Kok 1 sampai 10?
Rasanya. Oh, rata tuh. Mami 7, Roy 5.
Aku belum nek
Selera
aku.
Coba yang kakong yang. Skala.
Garamnya pas.
Coba.
Apa ini?
Makanya senang.
Loh, kiko masak iki mau.
Skala dari 1 sampai 10.
Ini sama anu. Sama semua ini.
Sama. Yang ini enggak, yang
Ini orang vegan ya aku bisa makan.
iya kan? Berapa?
Wah, enak kok. 8, 9.
Wow, that's so high. 9 out of 10.
Enak kok.
Iya kan? Iya kan? Wah, udah tidur.
Enak kan?
Oke.
Orang aku sih.
Oh, bareng yuk. Soalnya ini banyak banget. Please. This is the fries. The fries nugget. It's definitely 9 out of 10. Even though I burnt it. Coba yang ini nih. Quorn. I guess this is probably 8 or maybe 8 out of 10. I still like it. Coba yang ini loh, yang
Tak mangkok ya.
Aku seneng tadi.
yang tadi.
Rasanya lo ya.
Ini soalnya rada pedes.
Kalau udah tamis.
Mbak.
Aku loh.
The fries win, even though I burnt it. I don't really like nugget that much, but this nugget is great.
Yang rada pedes kalau rada menakani kecut.
I don't like the taste of chicken nugget, but this one I like it better.
Lah iya. Itu
My
dari
grandpa,
lidah itu.
my
Kan
grandpa 7 out of 10 this one. Yang Putri. Kalau yang ini berapa? Dari 10.
7,8 aku.
Yang 7,8. Yang
7,5.
Ya bodoh.
7.5 out of 10.
So I go